Now to more breaking updates now coming in. As per reports, Pakistan is set to backtrack from its stance of boycotting the upcoming T20 World Cup 2026. So remember, they had said that they will be boycotting the match against India. So while Pakistan Cricket Board Chairman Mohsin Naqvi remained defiant despite the warning from the International Cricket Council, it has been learnt that the board officials, some of them, opened the idea of playing the match. And according to sources, the ICC officials also warned the PCB of severe consequences of a boycott during a meeting with Naqvi at the stadium. And my colleague Karishma is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Karishma, very clearly, Pakistan did not think it through. They have been very clearly told about the consequences. Has there been a U-turn? Is it confirmed now that Pakistan will be playing the match?
Well, Pratibha, there has been no official communication either from ICC or PCB with regard to whether they will be playing or not. What we're given to understand is that the Pakistan Cricket Board has asked for some more time to consult the Prime Minister again, which is, of course, Shehbaz Sharif, and then probably come up with a decision by late tonight or tomorrow early morning. But what we're given to understand is that the ICC sent a two-member delegation consisting of Deputy Chairman Imran Khwaja and Executive Board of Director Mubashir Usmani to Lahore, and the meeting happened between PCB, BCB, and then the ICC delegation as well. And what we're given to understand is that they were made aware of all the implications that will be there on Pakistan. We had reported exclusively as well that ICC, in its response to PCB, had spoken about 10 points. In those 10 points, they had categorically explained why Pakistan's boycott is wrong at every level and cannot be justified by any government order. Pakistan tried to hide behind the force majeure also, but the ICC asking them explain how force majeure is applicable, because force majeure is something that's applicable when it's an act of God or a natural calamity or a terrorist attack, and then your government says that you cannot travel. That can be understood, but in this situation you are not even playing in India, so explain to us how force majeure is applicable. And that's when PCB wanted a dialogue with ICC. And what we are also told is that there is a probable U-turn coming in from the PCB, but the Pakistan Cricket Board has been maintaining suspense every single day ever since they announced the boycott. So we'll just have to wait and see how today pans out.
Okay, all right. So 24 hours is what Pakistan gets. There has been a lot of drama that they've attempted with their boycott as well. Let's see what happens next. Thank you for joining us with those details. Time for a quick break. We'll be right back.